Good morning students. Today we will do our next exercise 7.3 of your chapter number 7, permutations and combinations. So the first question is, how many 3-digit numbers can be formed by using the digits 1 to 9 if the condition is no digits is repeated? So there are digits from 1 to 9. It means there are total how many numbers? 9 numbers. 1 to 9 there are 9 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Out of these 9 numbers, we have to form a 3-digit number. 3-digit number in which the condition is no digit is repeated. कोई भी digit repeat नहीं हुई. Alright. So we have to find the number of arrangements here of 3-digit number. So there are total 9 objects, out of which we have to take 3 at a time. Total digits कितने ने 9 जिन्हें विच असी सिर्फ we have taken only 3 digits at a time. So number of arrangements are here. Formula is NPR. N is what? Total number of objects. So total numbers are there 9 and 3 is what? Objects taken at a time. So at a time is 3 objects in n. ठीक है? 3 numbers. So we have to find 9p3. So what is the formula? N factorial over n minus r factorial. So what is 9 minus 3? 6. So you can write here 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 factorial. Now 6 factorial cancel. 9 8s are 72. So 72 into 7, 7 to the 40, 502. It means there are total 504 3 digits number making from 1 to 9 in which no digits appear more than once. कोई भी digits repeat नहीं होगी. ठीक है? तो इसका भी फाइंड करते हैं. Making box. In the first box there are how many chances to fix any number out of this 1 to 9? There are total 9 chances. Suppose I have written here number 5. ठीक है, मैं number 5 लिख लिया. तो 5 repeat होगा next time? No. So there are how many chances in the next step? 8 chances. So right here 8. Again एक number fix कर लिया 3. So 3 and 5 does not repeat in the third chances. So there are total 7 chances. Possibilities you can see. So find the number of ways you have to multiply this. 9 8 is 72, 72 7 is 504. So answer should be same. Alright, so this is your question number first. Now see the question number second. How many 4-digit numbers are there with no digit repeated? How many 4-digit numbers? So the numbers are not given. ठीक है, जिसमें first question given सी digits is 1 to 9. But here which digits given नहीं है. So we know that digits are from 0 to 9. 0 also included. ठीक है, 0 भी तुसी count करोगे. 0 to 9 there are total how many numbers? 10 numbers. And we have to make 4-digit number and the condition is no digit repeated. Same as this one. No digit repeated. So first from 0 to 9 there are total how many numbers? 10 numbers. We have to make a 4-digit number. 4-digit number. So in the first box there are how many chances? From 0 to 9 there are total 10 chances. ठीक है, digits repeat नहीं होगी next time. So there are next 9 chances, next 8, next 7. Multiply this. So 10 9s are 90, 98s are 720, 727s are 5040. 5040. But you can see here clearly. अगर तुसी 0 लिखोगे फर्स्ट बॉक्स ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ क्योंकि 0 ਤੋਂ ਲੈ ਕੇ 9 तक टोटल 10 ਚਾਂਸ ਨੰਬਰ ਸੀਗੇ. ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, ਫਰਸਟ ਬਾਕਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਅਗਰ 0 ਵੀ ਲਿਖ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ ਤਾਂ 0 ਨੰਬਰ ਲਿਖਣ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ that number counted as 3-digit number or 4-digit number. ਅਗਰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਮੰਨ ਲਓ 0 ਫਿਕਸ ਕਰਦੇ ਹੋ ਫਸਟ ਪਲੇਸ ਤੇ ਤਾਂ ਉਹ ਨੰਬਰ 3-digit ਚ ਕਾਊਂਟ ਹੋਗਾ ਕਿ 4-digit ਚ ਹੋਗਾ. They counted in a 3-digit number. But we have taken only 4-digit number. Clear students? ਸਾਨੂੰ सिर्फ 4-digit number ही चाहिए, not 3-digit number. That's why you have to subtract that number. ठीक है, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੰਬਰਸ ਤੋਂ ਮਾਈਨਸ ਕਰੋਗੇ ਜਿਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ 0 ਫਿਕਸ ਫਸਟ ਪਲੇਸ ਤੇ. ठीक है. So you have to subtract 3-digit number. So now you have to make 3 boxes. So 0 तो लेके 9 तक 0 ने इंक्लूड नहीं करना, क्योंकि 0 फर्स्ट प्लेस से अगर फिक्स होगा, ठीक है, तो नंबर हैगा 3-digit नंबर. दैट्स व्हाई तुसी इतना चांसेस से भी 0 नो काउंट नहीं करोगे. You have to count from 1 to 9. That is how many numbers? 9 numbers. अगर तुझे 0 फिर तो काउंट कर लिया और 0 तो फिर फर्स्ट प्लेस से लिख दिया, फिर दैट नंबर इज 2-digit नंबर, क्योंकि 0 दी अगर फर्स्ट प्लेस से कोई वैल्यू नहीं होगी. ठीक है. So you should take a number from 1 to 9. Now in the first place there are how many chances? There are 9 chances. Alright. Next place 8 chances, because number should not be repeated. No digit is repeated. Next 7 chances. Now 9 8s are 72. 72 7s are 504. So there are total 504 numbers in which 0 fixed in first place. ठीक है. अगर 0 नंबर फर्स्ट प्लेस से फिक्स करोगे तो टोटल होंगे 504 numbers. Now you should subtract 5040 minus 504. तो इसमें टोटल पॉसिबिलिटीज जो 5040 जो 504 नो माइनस करोगे. ठीक है. बिकॉज ये वो नंबर्स ने जिन्हां दे विच 0 फिक्स है फर्स्ट प्लेस. So what is the answer? 6 3 4 sorry 0 minus 4 6 or 10 minus 4 6 3 minus 0 3 10 minus 5 and here 4. Answer is 4536. मतलब there are total 4536 number made from digit 0 to 9 in which no digits appear more than once. कोई भी digits repeat नहीं है. Clear? तुसी NPR the formula we use कर सकते हो. For example, in this cases there are total how many digits? 10. So you can write 10P4. 10P4. 10 total number of objects. 4 is मतलब 4 taken at a time. 10P4 minus, and in this there are how many objects? Total 9. 9P and taken at a time how many numbers? 3 numbers. 9P3. 10P4 minus 9P3. Alright. So this is your question number first and second. Next, this is your question number third. How many 3-digit even numbers can be made by using the digits 1 2 3 4 6 7 if no digit is repeated? How many 3-digit even numbers? So कुछ है कि ना कि 1 2 3 4 6 7 में यूज करके तुसी कितने 3 digits even numbers बना सकते हो, and the condition is no digit is repeated more than once. So first you have to make how many boxes? 3 boxes. Alright. How many 3-digit even number? 1 2 3 3-digit even number. So to check the number is even or odd, so what we have to check? We have to check its ones place. For even number, the ones place should be 2, 4, 6, 8 and 0. And for odd number, we have to check its ones place should be 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. But in this question, we have to find only even numbers. So we have to check its ones place first. Ones place, or you can say unit place. So we have numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 7. So out of this 6 numbers, which number exists in ones place? So that the number should be even. To see ones place से which केड़ा number put कर सकते हो जिधे ना number even होगा. So we can put 2, 4 and 6. 2, 4 and 6. It means there are 3 chances. You can write there, but 3 ways. मतलब 3 ways the analysis number put कर सकते हैं. Alright. Either you can put 2, 4 or 6. Suppose कर लो कि तुझे 2 इतने लिख लिया, 2 put कर लो. Then 2 repeated again in these 2 digits, in these 2 places, tens or hundreds? No, because the condition is no digit is repeated. अगर तुझे 2 नंबर लिख लिया इस प्लेस पे, तब तुझे 2 को repeat नहीं कर सकते. It means there are total how many numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇੱਕ ਚਾਂਸ ਕੱਟ, तो कितने रह गए 5 चांसेस. It means in this place there are how many chances? 5 chances. Alright. Next again suppose करो number 7 आ गया. 7 या 4 level. 7 number आ गया. 7 repeat होगा again? No. Then there are again how many chances? 4 chances. Clear students? So in this box there are 5 chances. In this box there are 4 chances. And in this middle place there are 3 chances to put the number. So you can multiply this. 5 4s are 20, 23s are how much? 16. It means there are total 60 even numbers formed by the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7 in which no digit appears more than once. Number of 3 digits even number. Alright. So the answer is 60. This is your question number 3rd. Next, this is your question number 4. Find the numbers of 4-digit numbers that can be formed using the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 if no digit is repeated. This is the first part, and the second is how many of these will be even. So out of these 4-digit numbers, how many of them are even? So first we can find the 4-digit numbers using the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and the condition is no digits repeated. Alright. So first you can make how many boxes? 4 boxes. We will write here number of 4-digit numbers. So there are total how many numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in the first place, there are how many chances to fix a number? There are 5 chances. And no digit is repeated. And in the next place, there are again 4 chances. ठीक है, क्योंकि number repeat नहीं होगा. Suppose कर लो तो सीधे 3 लिख लिया. तो 3 repeat होगा next time? No. So then there are again 4 chances. ठीक है. Next again 1 decrease कर दो. There are how many chances? 3 chances. And the last one, there are only 2 chances. So now multiply this. 5 4s are 20, 23s are 60, 62s are 120. It means there are total 124 digits number using the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and no digit is repeated. Next we have to find then how many of these will be even. It means out of these 124 digit numbers, इन्हां दे विचों कितने numbers even होंगे? Out of this 120, how many are them of even? So we find number of even numbers. Even numbers. So again, you can make how many boxes? 4 boxes. So to check the number is even, you have to check its units place first. Unit place. Units, or you can say ones place. So in unit place, the number which should come out of this 5. Either 2 or 4. Alright, या तो one place से 2 होगा या 4 होगा. It means there are how many ways? 2 ways. Clear? Suppose कर लो कि दूसरी 2 3 fix कर देगा. Unit place से 2 लिख देगा. ठीक है? Then 2 repeated again? No. 2 repeat नहीं होगा. Then there are how many chances in this first place? So 2 neglect कर दो. There are only 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 chances. How many chances? 4 chances. Next, एक number 3 लिख लेते हैं. 3 repeat होगा again? No. एक step again. Then there are 3 chances. Again, there are how many chances? 2 chances. ठीक है? Because the digits cannot repeated. Alright? Digits सिर्फ तुसी one time लिख सकते हैं. Repeat नहीं कर सकते. So multiply this. 4 3s are 12. 12 2s are 24. And 24 2s are 48. It means there are 48 4-digit even numbers using from the digits 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Alright students, so this is your question number 4. Next, this is your question number 5. From a committee of 8 persons, in how many ways can we choose a chairman and a vice chairman assuming one person cannot hold more than one position? So there are total 8 persons. We have to select a committee in which one person is a chairman and another one is vice chairman, and one person cannot hold more than one position. मतलब एक पर्सन की एक तो ज़्यादा पोजीशन नहीं हो सकती, मतलब ये नहीं कि एक पर्सन चेयरमैन भी है तो वाइस चेयरमैन भी है, ठीक है, इस तरह नहीं होगा. अगर एक पर्सन चेयरमैन है तो जो वाइस चेयरमैन होगा कोई अदर पर्सन होगा आउट ऑफ 7. ऑलराइट, सो यू हैव टू मेक हियर 2 boxes only because there are only 2 places, first for chairman and second for vice chairman. This is for chairman, this is for vice chairman. You have to find the number of weight. Alright, so to select a chairman out of this 8 person, there are how many chances? There are 8 chances, because out of this 8 कोई भी पर्सन चेयरमैन की पोजीशन को होल्ड कर सकता है. सपोज एक पर्सन चेयरमैन बन गया, सो देन नेक्स्ट फॉर वाइस चेयरमैन देयर आर हाउ मेनी चांसेस, मतलब वाइस चेयरमैन के लिए कितने चांसेस थे? देयर आर ओनली 7 चांसेस, बिकॉज एक पर्सन का चेयरमैन की पोजीशन फिक्स हो गई, दैट शुड बी फिक्स्ड. सो फॉर वाइस चेयरमैन देयर आर 7 चांसेस. नाउ यू शुड मल्टीप्लाई दिस. नाउ 8 7s are 56. It means there are 56. In the 56 ways, from 8 person, a committee should be declared for chairman and a vice chairman. So this is your question number 5. Next, this is your question number 6. In this question, you have to find the value of n. The condition is n minus 1 p3 ratio n p4 is equal to 1 ratio 9. So you have to find the missing value of n. So first, ratio means you have to divide. N minus 1 p3 divided by n p4 is equal to 1 ratio 9. You have to write this like this one. Alright. So what is the formula of NPR? N factorial divided by n minus r factorial. So the formula is n factorial divided by n minus r. So minus 1 minus 3 is minus 4 factorial divided by n p4, n factorial divided by n minus 4 factorial. Clear students? Is equal to 1 ratio 9. Now the next step is, you can see here n minus 4 factorial, n minus 4 factorial. Denominator should be same, so you should cancel it. So what is left here? N minus 1 factorial divided by n factorial is equal to 1 over 9. Now which term we should expand? N minus 1 or n? We should expand this term, n factorial. N minus 1 factorial, it is written as n minus 1 factorial equal to 1 over 9. Now you can see here n minus 1 factorial, n minus 7 factorial. It will cancel. So now you have to cross multiply it. 9 ones are 9 and n ones are n. So what is the value of n here? N is 9. So this is your question number 6. Next, this is your question number 7. In this question, we have to find the missing value of r. So there are 2 parts. The first part is 5pr is equal to 2 multiply 6pr minus 1. And the second part is 5pr is equal to 6pr minus 1. So in the first part, you have to find the missing value of r. So first put the formula of npr. Formula is n factorial over n minus r factorial. Alright, again this 2 is constant. 6pr minus 1. The formula is 6 factorial upon 6 minus r minus 1. So minus minus is plus. So 6 plus 1 is 7 minus r factorial. After solving this, the value of r is 3. This question is same as example number 12. Alright, and the second part, in this question, the value of r is 4. So check your answer, and this is your question number 7. Thank you.